The question is, the following figure shows the velocity and acceleration of a point-like body at an initial moment of its motion. The acceleration vector of the body remains constant. The time in second after which the speed becomes 8 meter per second again is, well, to understand this, let me draw the figure first. Okay, remember the acceleration is constant. Okay, so acceleration vector is in this direction, whose value is 2 meter per second. So what I do here, uh, take x-axis perpendicular to it. Okay, that is our x-axis, and obviously perpendicular to it, it will be our y-axis. Okay, we are assuming like that. The problem is we are going to do it through axis rotation method, and now the velocity here is, it is the initial velocity v naught, 8 meter per second. V naught is equal to 8 meter per second. Now you see, it does case is almost similar to that projectile motion only. In projectile motion, gravity is downward, particle is thrown with some velocity. Say this is 30. Why it is 30? Because total is 120, na? Total 120. And as it is 90 degree, so this part will be 30 only. So now it is similar to a projectile motion only. Okay. In projectile motion, acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, and here acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So as the particle goes, the particle direction will be bent because of the acceleration, because acceleration is all the time constant, and it is along this direction only. Okay, so by symmetry we can say that the velocity will be again at this point only when it crosses the x-axis. Okay, here also if it is particle is thrown with v naught, so when it strikes the ground, the velocity again will become the v naught. Okay, in this case, in our gravitational case. So that is the main challenge actually. Okay, so we need to find out the time of flight actually, nothing else. Okay, time of flight definition is what? Time of flight is uh, 2u sin theta by z. So here u is 8, sin 30 will be half, but here instead of z you have to put a only. Okay, instead of u you have to put v naught. So put all the values. Sin 30 half, that is also 2. 2 got cancelled, that is 4 seconds in fact. 4 seconds is the answer.